Alright guys, here we go. We got the Goblin going on a C65. And we are ready to go. Range clear, sky clear. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! CATO! Motor CATO'd. Wow! C65 motor blew up. Wow! That was spectacular. I think the motor mount is going. It blew the engine. Yeah, that was a CATO. That was definitely a CATO. It blew the motor mount out. Well, the motor mount's still there. The engine hook's going. Wow, C65 exploded on me. I think I saw the motor mount maybe kept going, or I don't know. This is just wadding here. Well, second flight was a CATO. Well, I don't know. Everybody witnessed that right there, so no flight of the Goblin. Oh, I see part of the oh, the motor's right here. Here's everything. So yeah, we definitely had a CATO just happen. So there's the motor right there. That's probably all gutted all the way through, I'm sure. Oh no. Wow, that's pretty crazy. Actually, this is an old whoa, this is an old one. This is an old C65, so I guess that's what happened. Here's the engine hook, all still intact. The adapter's still intact. Wow. Well, just had a CATO. And we will check this out in a debrief. Rock 321, subscribe.